Hey everyone, welcome back to English Boost TV. I'm Emma.
And I'm David, and today we are not doing grammar rules.
No textbooks, no boring drills.
We are talking about real life, real situations, the kind of English you actually need when you walk out the door.
Because here's the truth. A lot of beginners can read English, they can write it. But the moment someone speaks to them, their mind goes blank.
Sound familiar? Yeah, we've heard that from so many of our listeners. And today, we fix that.
By the end of this episode, you will have practiced 3 real conversations at a coffee shop, at work, and with a friend. And we'll give you the key phrases you can use today.
So let's get into it.
Okay, David, quick question. When you first started learning a new language, what was the hardest part?
Oh, easy. Listening to real people. Because in class, everything is slow, clear, perfect. But real life, people talk fast. They use short phrases. They use slang.
Exactly. And that gap between classroom English and real life English, that's what stops a lot of beginners from speaking confidently.
So what we're doing today is, we're going to act out 3 real conversations. Emma and I will play different people in different situations.
And after each one, we'll break it down. We'll highlight the most important phrases, and we'll explain why those phrases work.
If you want to practice with us, pause the video, repeat the lines out loud. That's how you build confidence, not by listening, but by actually speaking.
All right, are you ready for conversation number 1?
Let's do it.
Conversation 1, at the coffee shop. Situation 1, you are at a coffee shop. You walk in. There's a barista behind the counter. What do you say?
Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a medium coffee, please, with milk.
Sure. Would you like anything else?
Actually, do you have anything sweet, like a muffin or a croissant?
We have blueberry muffins today. They're really good.
Perfect. I'll take one, please.
All right. That's 1 medium coffee with milk and 1 blueberry muffin. Can I get your name?
It's Emma.
Great, Emma. That'll be $4.50.
Here you go. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your day.
Okay, let's break that down.
The first key phrase, I'd like. This is a very polite way to order something.
Second phrase, do you have?
And finally, I'll take one, please.
Practice those 3 phrases at home.
Simple, but powerful.
Conversation 2, meeting someone new at work. Conversation 2, you have a new job.
Hey, are you the new person on the team?
Yes, hi, I'm Emma. I just started today.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm David.
I'm going to be working in customer support.
That's awesome. How are you finding it so far?
Honestly, a little nervous.
Don't worry, you'll feel at home in no time.
I'd love that. Thank you so much.
See you then. Let's break down. First phrase, nice to meet you.
Add more. I just started today.
Second, how are you finding it so far?
Third, honestly, a little nervous.
And finally, I'd love that.
You've got this.
Conversation 3, making plans with a friend. Hey, what are you up to this weekend?
Not much. I was thinking of checking out a restaurant.
Are you free Saturday?
Saturday works for me.
Maybe around 7?
That sounds perfect.
Should you make a reservation?
I'll take care of it.
Can't wait. Break down first. What are you up to?
Second, that works for me.
Third, I'll take care of it.
3 conversations done.
Key phrases recap. At the coffee shop. I'd like. Do you have? I'll take one, please.
At work. Nice to meet you. How are you finding it? I'd love that.
With a friend. What are you up to? That works for me. I'll take care of it.
9 phrases. That's it.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Speak now.
Practice real conversations.
That's the goal. Natural English.
That's our episode for today.
Tell us, which phrase will you use first?
Like the video if it helped you.
Subscribe for weekly practice.
Until next time.
Your English is growing every day. I'm Emma.
And I'm David.